Step one, sharp knife. I'm going to hook a finger around these fins, get a good grip on them, and then there's a bone right here on the back side. That's where I'm going to start at. Just want to cut the skin all the way around. That's the hardest part of the whole job. Peel that skin. A little bit on that side and a little bit on this side. Take these pliers and pop his top dorsal fin off. And if you get down below it, there is a fat seam that runs right along the back. I'll go ahead and pull that fat seam, get it out of the way. Then we're going to flip it over, stick my finger up in its belly, and I'm going to go right by the vent. Run up either side of the belly. I'm flipping back over. I'm going to go about 2 bones back from where that dorsal was. And I'm going to cut down to the backbone. I'm going to break them open. Split open there, you can stick your fingers right in there and just roll those guts right out of it. And there you have that part of it. We're going to give this a rinse. And we're going to get the fillet off. Start down here and just run that knife right along that backbone. These small fish, you get to them ribs, hold on to them. You can cut right through their ribs. There's one. Bring them around. Right along that backbone again. And just right through those ribs. There's fillet number 2. And you just run that knife right along those rib bones. Rinse these fillets a little bit. There you have it. 2 fillets. You can slice them up, cook them whole, however you like. I always like to slice them up. Pieces, bite-sized pieces, couple bites. Now these bigger fish, they'll have a red meat seam in them, but these smaller ones don't have as much. Not enough for me to even worry about. There you go, ready for the grease.